What's up everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're back at Odesa Airport to spot a very unique flight. Today, Pegasus Airlines, a Turkish carrier, comes back to Odesa. Congratulations everyone. First flight after such a long time. So gonna be capturing the landing and hopefully the departure. Here I'm standing in front of the new Odesa International Airport terminal. Looks really dope. I kind of really like it actually. Look at these columns. They are huge. Such a modern, good airport. Yo, we've got a water salute there. Nice. Holy crap, that is so cool.